Hello, lovely guys. Thank you so much for tuning back into the Navas Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification because on today's menu, I am presenting to you Bambara beans from Ghana, West Africa, my mom's favorite dish in the whole world. Okay, so it is a nut. It comes out of a pot. It's dried out until it feels like a pearl. You know, when it falls on the surface, it bounces like a pearl. It's a beautiful nut. So it takes hours to cook. My mom will start like early hours of the morning, and by lunchtime it is ready for her to enjoy. And when she put a bite of it in her mouth, she looked like the happiest person in the whole world. So I'm cooking 1 cup of Bambara nuts. I have washed it thoroughly and I'm cooking it in 500 milliliters of water. It's been about 2.5 hours so far and it's nice and tender. I have added some salt and some baking soda to tenderize it even further, and I've also add that is also going to neutralize the gases that comes in this dish. Okay, I've added some chili powder to intensify the color and give it a punch of flavor. I've also added some molasses. A tablespoonful of molasses went in to give it a hint of sweetness and to also intensify the flavor that comes from that molasses, that intense molasses flavor. So most people will use granulated white sugar or even brown sugar. That will work as well. And I've also finished off the dish by adding some seeded jalapeno pepper and some Fresno peppers as well. It also gives it a nice color. So that went in and it's done. And now I am preparing my plantain pancake. So I've mashed up 2 over-ripened plantains and I didn't mash it up too smooth. I left some chunkiness in there for a nice texture. I've added some dried fried onions, some scallions, Fresno peppers, ginger, and salt to taste. That just went in, and the powdery stuff is actually roasted cornmeal. All right, look at the bottom of this video at the description box for all the measurements of all the ingredients that I used. Now I'm going to start preparing my pancake. So I have added a shallow film of coconut oil, and I've added a scoop of my plantain mixture, and I'll flatten it out so it is a pancake size. And I cook it for about 2 minutes on each side, and I flip it, and here we go. Voila, it is ready. All right, look at this lovely, beautiful presentation. It's not only looking beautiful, but it's also tasting good. All right, please try this dish, and thank you so much for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.